So we were at the hill. We got to the hill, and it's starting to rain. And we just hopped in the car because Sam. We were all standing around bullshitting, kind of
vlogging like
waiting for the rain to do something.
You should put the fisheye on if you're going to be in the car like that.
And Sam's hair was standing fucking straight up on end. And we've heard some thunder.
Nice.
Yeah.
And we didn't think it was like gonna be getting close. And there hasn't been lightning or thunder since we saw it happen, so I don't really know what's going on.
Glad you're not hit by lightning.
But that's some spoopy shit, yo.
Yeah, even...
So we are currently oh my god, you can't even see anything. We are currently driving out of a severe warned storm up in the region of Taylorsville and Vashti, North Carolina. West of Love Valley. It is a warned storm. I have no other information besides that because we are so far out here that we have no data. This storm is barely moving and is incredibly strong from what we can tell. The rain has to be the size of paintballs, is freezing cold. I would have no doubt in my mind that there's hail in there somewhere. Strong and frequent lightnings, cloud to ground strikes all over, surrounding the car. I'm sure if we hadn't gotten in the cars when we did before, when Sam's hair was standing up, we would have gotten struck. So we're driving out of it, slowly, barely getting out from under it, and you can see it back behind us. There's just, you'd normally be able to see miles on miles through these hills, and visibility's down to next to nothing. So let's hope we don't die. It's a low storm. It is low and slow and mean and dirty and scurry.
Can we go to Maria anyway?
I mean, sure.
Buy some diggity?
Yeah.
As far as Sam knows, we're going to Maria.
Yeah, that's true.
Can you GPS it?
Is this not the way to Maria?
I mean, I just want to be sure.
I'm fairly certain it is.
Well, I was lame.
And we right on the 115, and it's like right there. 42 Lyles Lane. Was that on purpose?
In 1/2 mile,
That's what I
left.
put.
I'm so glad I cleaned this windshield.
In 1/2 mile, turn left.
Left.
Yeah, it says make a left on Marlow Road.
But it also shows us going straight.
Is it turning us around?
Maybe.
Are we heading the wrong direction?
No, we're heading the right direction.
I was so sure it was in the right direction.
Whoa.
Turn left.
Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. I'll arrive in 15 minutes? That ain't right. That ain't right.
Lyle,
God fucking God. Did it want us to go straight?
in a mile, make a right on Judd Smith Road. I don't know.
I have no idea what.
Look at that shelf! Oh my god!
Yeah, we're driving back into it.
GPS is like, no, turn around for your safety, but here's Lyle's Lane anyway.
Oh my god.
I think we just need a new GPS. Like, that's not the first time it's fucked up today.
Oh.
You know?
Can you update the software?
I don't think you can you?
I'm pretty sure we can.
I don't know what this is doing right over us,
In
but
1/4 mile, turn right.
The last part of that sentence. I can see the top of that mountain though, so.
Turn right.
Probably away from it now.
In 1/4 mile, turn right.
fuck me, where was that?
I think it was heat lightning.
What? Right.
Yeah. Alright, it's 5 p.m. We're driving down back into Statesville from Love Valley. We are driving out from under the hail core. It's basically heading straight south. I'm not sure how fast it's moving. I think pretty well. We could be boned. We could be able to get out of the way. But I see a shelf cloud up ahead here. Or something of the sort. And I'm not really sure what to think, especially when it's black in front of us. I mean, what's it look like behind us? Yeah, we're like under this. Are we driving into the hail core?
No. Well, kind of. We're like.
No, we're driving into the one that was coming straight from the west.
I can't guarantee that. I feel like this might be the hail core.
No. We're like.
Whatever it is, gonna be
It's a hefty storm.
interesting to say the least. I'll be excited to see what this does. We gotta change batteries soon. Oh yeah. This is about to be the belly of the beast. That was just EMS. Nine and 3.
Have you seen the on-order version of Skate?
No.
It's like a list of things to do that like each are a certain amount of points. Remember?
think I may have seen that before.
The highest thing, the best thing you can do is if a local talks to you, tell them that you're the best skater there. That's 1,000 points. Shotgunning a beer mid-run is like 900. That's the only two I can remember right now. But yeah, we've got some streets on skating station.
I mean, I don't know if we can.
You quit looking, you can review it later.
It's about to get windy up here.
Back off.
Do you have a phone charger?
Yeah.
Here, you can wrap the GPS up.
Alright, 5:07 p.m.
He's lying, it's 08.
We're basically back in Statesville. We've since made it into it, for sure. It's raining really
That's
hard.
the hardest bit over there, though.
There's a little bit further east that we're going to be driving into that, we're going to check it out. And there's massive patches of standing water all over the road. Huge, deep hydroplaning puddles. It's gridlock traffic. There is law enforcement everywhere. We've seen one EMS so far, probably going to see more in addition to fire soon.
So are we going back to your place, Jacob, then? Or?
I do want to go to
But we need to go get things first,
Alright.
right?
I mean, yeah.
I don't need anything, but...
This is absolutely horrendous.
It's flooding.
It's flooding. Oh, fuck me. Don't do over the speed limit. Are you out of your mind? Oh shit, shit, shit.
You see, now I want to go to Walmart. They probably smell like fire.
Oh, we probably do.
You see this shit? It's running down the sides of the road.
Oh wow. That sounds really cool.
I mean, it is this side too, but not much.
Let me get my skateboard, yo.
Oh my god, this is insane. It is so dark, so heavy over there. Morgan, get out of the fucking gutter.
Sam's doing it too. He's having a good time.
Having a good time. Dude,
Look at
yeah,
this, look.
I could just skimboard in place. Give me a rope, a railroad spike, my skimboard. I got this.
Just running in rivers across the entire street.
Why are we stopped?
I don't know
Right
why
on
we're
this
stopped.
douche to turn, I think.
Maybe he's gonna go pick up where the real rain gets here. You're late, buddy.
You want to call Sam and tell him what we're going to do then?
What are we gonna
Go to Walmart. No?
do? Okay.
Oh my god.
Yep.
You gotta turn left.
I can have Sam.
There's utilities trucks.
Are there? Oh shit.
No, it's not.
That's more EMS.
That? That rain text
Hey,
slide, yo.
We're gonna go to Walmart because we probably smell like drugs. And we're gonna dig around. Are you in? Cool. Alright, we're going to Walmart. See you there.
So now we're driving straight into the worst of it.
But we're driving into the ass of it. I don't think it'll be...
No, this ain't gonna work.
No, up ahead is though.
Yeah, what we're driving into is the worst. And there might be hail in there.
Check your phone, see what's coming. See where...
My phone's like dead.
Oh.
Left, right?
Yeah.
Well, we chanced it and we lost yet again.
Yep.
Where's the last
I don't know.
one? I found we kind of won. In a way. It rained and dried, like, hella fast. And the grass was wet, so, like, when you wrecked, like, it was all good.
I see EMS. There's just,
What is that?
I'm not sure
Ardell
why.
County EMS.
Oh.
I mean, I don't see anything bad yet. Maybe something came through here before. But maybe they're already out because it's gonna be that bad. We're gonna find out. This is probably why we've been seeing. Oh yeah. We have what looks like
Fucking A.
they're setting up a staging area.
We're like watering the sidewalk.
At the funeral home is what it looks like. Yeah, staging
So
area
they can
for
have
emergency
people already
response. Unless there's a funeral going on, which in that case that really sucks.
That's more over there.
There's a bank down there.
Okay, we're not skating. Outside.
We're not skating in Walmart.
I am taking my skateboard into... Oh no, we're going this
I'm
way.
taking the contour.
So I would expect you to take that.
No,
Yes!
I'm not supporting that. Hey, look, that's more rescue in front of us.
I'll take it.
Dude, I think it's just that bad. I think it's gonna flood that bad, and I think they're expecting wrecks, they're expecting lines down, they're expecting...
I suppose so.
There's like a road work crew.